Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and want to get back this deleted message, I'll help you how to recover these messages. So let's start without wasting any time. Okay guys, first let's go to our settings and check we are connected with a strong internet. Then after that, we're going to our WhatsApp. Then we press our settings. After that, we're going to press chats and click on chat backup. And guys, simply if you have uploaded your backup, all the backup, simply you have to download it again. And guys, after this, all the deleted message will be downloaded as well. The second method is you have to scroll it down here. Here is the option of export chat, and guys, you need to select that chat in which you want to recover deleted messages. As you can see, simply you have to select that chat, click on without media or attached media, and guys, after this chat will be exported. Simply you have to download this chat, save to files, and guys, when you have opened this chat, then guys, all the deleted messages will be here in this chat. And guys, after this, the another method is you have to move this chat to Android phone or iPhone. So guys, if you have another iPhone, simply select move chats to iPhone, and if you have another Android, select move chats to Android. And guys, you have to move or transfer this chat. And when you have moved or transferred completely, then guys, you need to open that chat. After this, you'll be able to recover all these messages. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.